Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're doing a super quick update on Contract Miner. So let's go and check out how the account is doing. Keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see here, we are in my Contract Mining account, and to be honest with you, I'm absolutely overwhelmed with the response that this program has gotten. Like I say, I sort of dug it out of the doldrums, just went and checked out if it was still working, and then I brought it to you. But I really did not expect the response, and you guys seem to be absolutely loving the program. So what I wanted to do was just a super quick update to just sort of show you my progress since the last time we looked at this program, and I'd be really interested to see or hear how you guys are getting on as well with it. So don't forget to stick a comment in the post below the video. Obviously as well, remember, if you're not sure what Contract Miner is, if this is the first time you're seeing it but you think it's something that you might be interested in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to the recent review I did of that, which is a very thorough review. It gives you loads of information, a step-by-step process of how the program works and how you can get your account up and running for you to start earning with this program. And if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. So if we quickly go through the numbers, so 1 week ago we had 11,420 mega hashes. So that was mining mega hashes. That's actually miners that I own, and we had 5,000 timed mega hashes. So obviously you can see there that we've increased by 10,000 mining mega hashes, because what I've done is I've actually managed to buy myself another S3 miner, and we've actually bumped up our timed mega hashes by over 4,000, so nearly 5,000 timed mega hashes. So I'm actually almost at the equivalent, well actually I'm actually at the equivalent, if not slightly over, of having 3 S3 miners, because each S3 miner is gives you 10,000 mega hashes. I've got 21,420 there, plus nearly 10,000 there, so that's over 30,000 mega hashes. So that is the equivalent of having 3 S3 miners. Also as well, if we look at what we've got in our pot, we did have 1,062 CMC. We've now got 350, but we have in CMCI nearly 4,000. So I'm basically getting very, very close, because remember, an S3 miner in the market is around 5,500, 5,600 price-wise. So I'm nearly at the point of being able to buy another S3 miner. So with my timed mega hashes, that will be basically the equivalent of having 4 S3 miners, obviously mining 24/7 all the time. And obviously a week ago we were only earning 17 CMC from our auto mining. If we go into our mining blocks, so this is where we cash out every single day, we can check out how much obviously our profit is increasing. Okay, so this is basically our cash out section. So if we scroll down, and then if we look, hit date, there you go. So this is these are the most recent ones. So we got we went from 17 up to 30 to 31, 33, 34. You know, so we're increasing 1 CMC every day, and like I say, we're nearly at the point to be able to buy another one of those S3 miners, which will then catapult us to to basically jump in to earning another 10 CMC pretty much on what we're earning now. So that will take us up to over 40 CMC every day. Basically passive income, just mining, you know, and as long as we keep our power units topped up and working, that is always going to be earning. Obviously, like I mentioned in the original video, the property that we're currently housing our miners in will only allow us to house 5 miners at the I think we have 4 at the moment, but obviously once I hit or get close to earning that 5th miner, what I'll do is I will sell one of my lower miners, because I have one of the Moonlander miners, and I have one of the other. If we go into the inventory, check out my miners, you can see the miners that I have, and then obviously you'll understand what I'm talking about. So if we go down here, no, where's my miners? Okay, so here we are in inventory, and if we scroll down here, so this is what I'm so obviously you can see my S5. For some weird reason I thought that was S3 miners, but S5 miners. So there's my 2 S5 miners. Then we have the Moonlander and we have the USB miner set. So basically what I'll do is I would sell my Moonlander, which then makes space for what would be another S5 miner. And then that would, you know, and obviously trying to hang on to basically being at your parents' house, which is rent free, for as long as possible. Until I get up to 6 S5 miners, I will not be moving out there, which obviously means that the profit that we are making on a daily basis is increasing all the time, and we're not having to pay rent on a virtual property until we have to move because we've just got too many miners. Also, as well, you might well notice that we when we got back into this program, we were at level 11. As you can see, in just 6 days, or just under a week, we're actually now up to level 15, which obviously that in itself has helped us complete some more of those tasks, which has then earned us more CMC. Which is absolutely excellent. So anyway, don't forget to leave them posts below this video. I really want to hear how you guys are getting on with this program, and if you are interested in those earlier videos, they're probably on your screen right now, so get clicking and get watching. If you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.